Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Brian, and in today's video we're going to be talking about something you should do before you sharpen your chisels or hand planes, and that is you should flatten your sharpening stones. You should flatten your sharpening stones so you don't end up accidentally putting defects into the blades of the things you're sharpening, like such as your chisels. To do this well, you only need a couple of things. The first one is a diamond sharpening stone, and then you need to borrow something from the kitchen. Make sure you do that when someone's not looking. So you put that in, get that wet. While you're letting your diamond flattening stone get wet, you can come back here and mark or put marks that are crisscross about 1 inch apart on your wet stone. We next put some water on our water stone and then get our diamond stone. And flip this over, and we'll rub this back and forth and try to see when those crosshatch marks come off. Here you can see that doing some initial passes that only the edges, the crosshatch marks, came off. So we need to keep going. Getting there, almost there. Now that looks pretty good. Rinse that off. Here you can see, nice and flat. Flattening your sharpening stones is a great thing to do either before or at the end of a sharpening session. If you do it before, then they're ready to go for the sharpening session. If you do it after you've completed your sharpening, then they're also ready the next time you come back to sharpen a tool. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this helps you enjoy your time in the workshop.